Hi friends, my name is Shivaneti. I'm from Industrial Manufacturing Process. My topic is on electric vehicles in India. 2 days ago, the biggest miracle happened in an automobile industry. Ola has grabbed more than 1 lakh customers within a span of 24 hours. This is the current scenario and present demand of electric vehicles in India. Today I want to say what is an electric vehicle, what are the advantages and limitations of electric vehicle, how which companies are manufacturing electric vehicles, and how government is promoting by incentives and schemes on electric vehicles, and my personal opinion. Electric vehicle, it completely runs on electricity alone. It is completely different from internal combustion engine. It uses an electric motor to run the vehicle. Major benefits of using an electric vehicle is cost effective, as there is a huge rise in the cost of petroleum products. We can cut or reduce that by using electric vehicles. Reduces harmful gases, as carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide are released by use of petroleum products. We can decrease them by using of electric vehicles. Cheaper to maintain, as an electric motor is used to run the vehicle. It is easy to maintain the vehicle or maintain the engine parts. Reduces noise pollution, as there are very less parts compared to internal combustion engine. uh, the vibrations are reduced a lot, hence it reduces in noise pollution, and it is an energy independent too. High price. The cost of electric vehicles is a little bit high compared to internal combustion vehicles. Low range. As of now, internal combustion vehicles goes around 400 to 500 kilometers per trip or per use, whereas electric scooters or electric vehicles go around 150 kilometers per use. Charging stations. There are number of petroleum stations are available in India, but there are very few charging stations available across India. Major electric vehicles manufacturing companies in India. Hero Electric and Bajaj Auto are working on electric scooters, whereas TVS Motor, Ratan India are working on electric bikes, whereas Graves Cotton, Nive Limited and Ward Wizard are working on electric bikes, electric cars as well as electric scooters too. Maharashtra state government has taken a new electric vehicle policy to promote electric vehicles in India. If a person purchases a battery capacity of 3 kilowatt per hour, he will save an amount of 45,000 rupees as an incentives. If a person buys around 30 kilowatt per hour battery capacity vehicle, will save around 2.75 lakhs as a incentives. This is up to December 21st, 2021. Government is promoting this to maintain eco-friendly in environment, and it develops our country too. Government is thinking to achieve 25% of electricity vehicles by 2022. If anyone purchases before December 31st, road and registration fee are waived off, and they are focusing 2500 stations in 7 urban cities. Conclusion. Uh, Everyone knows that electric vehicles are very eco-friendly in nature, as they will not produce any harmful gases, and many companies are now working on long life batteries, as the only thing disadvantage is we should replace battery for every 5 years or 10 years, but they are working companies are working to increase more performance on batteries. However, electric batteries are very easy to recycle. These are my references that are used to do my presentation. Thank you.